Hello children, I hope you have seen the yesterday lesson and revised also. I hope yesterday we have started the lesson 18 volume and self practice 18a. We have completed till question number 6. Today let us start from 7 questions. Kindly take page number 239. Self practice 18a. Just see the question number 7 from your book. Which has the greater volume? Box that measures 18 cm by 3 cm by 2 cm, or one that measures 6 cm by 6 cm by 7 cm. Here they have given two boxes. Two boxes measurement given. First one is 18 cm by 3 cm by 2 cm. Okay, this is the first one. And the second one is box that measures 6 cm by 6 cm by 7 cm. Children, look at this question. This is the which has the greater volume. Greater volume, whether this one or this one. So we can, from this we can identify this is the cuboid. Yes, cuboid. In the cuboid we have length, breadth, height. Okay, three things we have: length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height. So this is the cuboid. Okay, cuboid we already saw. It will have different okay measurement. From this you can identify. Yes, this is the cuboid. So now we have to find out volume of this and volume of that. Okay, two volume we have to find out. Okay, volume of first one, volume of first box. So volume of this one. Yes, 18. So what is the volume of cuboid? Length multiply breadth multiply height. Yes, L into B into height. Okay, length, breadth, height. The three things you have to multiply. Here they are given 18, 3, 2. All three numbers multiply. 18 cm multiply 3 cm multiply 2 cm. Yes. So how much? 18 multiply 3, 54. 54 multiply 2, 54 multiply 2, 108 centimeter cube. That is 108 cubic centimeter. Yes. Next we have to find out volume of another box. This box. Volume of this box now we are finding. 6 multiply 6 multiply 7. Yes. 6 centimeter multiply 6 centimeter multiply 7 centimeter. Yes. Volume of this box now we are finding. 6 multiply 6, 6, 6, 36. 36 multiply 7, multiply 36, multiply with 7, 7, 6, 42, 4 carries, 7, 3, 21, 21 plus 4, 25. So you can say 252 centimeter cube. Identify which is big in this. The question asking which has the greater volume. Greater. Okay, which is big. Which is big? 108 or 252. Okay, this is the big. Yes, 252 is big. So which measurement is big? 6 centimeter multiply 6 centimeter into 7 centimeter. So answer is okay. This is the big. Okay, this is the big one. So answer you can tell. They ask me the question which is big, this or this. Okay, like this one. So this is the bigger one. Okay, answer is multiply 6 centimeter multiply 7 centimeter is bigger. Yes, this is the bigger. Okay, this is big and this is small. Next, let us see question number 8. Find the volume of the rectangular solid whose dimensions are as follows. So here they have given, we have to find the volume. Question number 8. Find the volume of the rectangular solid whose dimensions are as follows. So this also cuboid only. Okay. Question first A1, length is 15 meter, breadth is 12 meter, and thickness that is the height. Thickness is 80 centimeter. Yes, children, look at it. Length 15 meter, breadth 12 meter, thickness 80 centimeter. Yes, so you can get one confusion here. Meter, and this is centimeter. Yes, meter, centimeter. So first try to change everything same, like meter. Okay, everything change into meter. So we know we have to change this centimeter into meter. So it is 80 centimeter. Yes. So 1 meter, you know 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Yes, no? 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. To convert the centimeter into meter, divide this number by 100. Okay, we will learn how to convert these things when we study the measurement lesson. Now, just understand what I am telling. So, from centimeter, whatever there, divide by 100. Okay, centimeter given, from that divide by 100. How whatever given, divide by 100. That is the answer. So look at here, 80 centimeter given. 80 divide by 100. Convert the centimeter to meter. From centimeter to meter, we have to divide by 100. So here 1, 2, 0 there. So we already studied in the fraction lesson what to do. 2 0 means from here 1 2 point will come here. Okay, that is answer is 0.8. Got it? 2 0. So from here 1 2. After 2 digit put the point. Yes. After the point 2 number like that. Okay. After the point 2 number. Yes. You can write 0 after 8 0. It's not valid. Okay. You can leave it. 0 means other number you can write. 0 you can leave it. Okay. So 0.8 is the number. Okay. This is the meter. Okay. So 80 centimeter is how much meter? 0.8. Got it? 0.8 meter. Now find the volume. Okay. Volume of the rectangular solid. Volume of the rectangular can be equal to length multiply breadth multiply height or thickness. Okay. Yes. So what are given? Multiply 15 multiply 12 multiply 15 meter multiply 12 meter multiply, and the thickness we have converted this into 0.8. Yes, multiply with 0.8 meter. Yes. Now multiply 15 multiply 2, 15 multiply 12, 15 12 is 180 no? 180 that. 180 multiplied by 0.8. 8 multiplied by 0 0. 8 multiplied by 64 and 6 carries. 8 multiplied by 1 8. 8 plus 6 14. Yes. So you can see here after the point 1 digit. After the point 1 digit. So before 1 digit, before that put one dot. So one after this point 1 digit. After the dot 1 point. After that 1 point. Yes. So after the point there is 0. Okay, you can leave it. Okay, 0 means you can leave it. Okay, if there is any number like 5, 6, 7, 8, any number means you can write. But 0 means just leave it. 144 is the answer. 144. What is it about meter? Meter. Yes. So meter cube. 144 meter cube. Next for B. Length. Length is 10 and a half meter, and breadth is 4.2 meter. Thickness is 70 centimeter. 70 centimeter. Children, just look same like A, how we done, same method follow here. See here, meter, and this is centimeter. So what we will do? Centimeter means first convert the centimeter also into meter. So how we can convert? Divide the 70 by which number? 100. So 70 by 100. Yes. So 20 for 20. 1 2 point. Answer is 0.7. 0.70 only. You can tell as 0.7 only. You can cancel the 0. Okay, leave the 0. Okay, 0.7 is the number. This is the meter. 0.7 meter. Now, just you know the formula volume. Yes. Length multiply, breadth multiply, height. Yes. Just first write the formula. Length multiply, breadth multiply, height. Afterwards, whatever number, write it. 10, 1 by 2 meter multiply breadth is 4.2 meter multiply height is for 70 centimeter. What is the meter? 0.7 meter. Yes, got it. Now see this. This is the mixed fraction. Yes, convert this into improper, and then you can make it. See 10 1 by 2 no. For 10 1 by 2, you can tell 10 multiplied to 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 2. 21 by 2. Divide this 21 by 2. Divide that 21 by 2. 21 divided by 2. 1 times 2 and 2, 1 is coming. Okay, it is not possible. We can't divide. So put the 0 after point. Okay, write down 0 here. Take the 0 here downstairs again. In 10, how much you can divide by 2? You can divide 5 times. 2, 5, 10. Okay, now. So that is answer is 10.5. Yes, 10.5 meter multiply 4.2 meter multiply 0.7 meter. Yes, now all the three number multiply, that is the answer. So 10.5 multiply 4.2. 10.5 multiply 4.2. 2 multiply 5, 10. 1 carries. 2 multiply 0, 0. So 1 only. 2 multiply 1, 2. Yes. Again with 4. 4 multiply 5, 20. 2 carries. 4 multiply 0, 0 only, so 2, 4 multiplied 1, 4. So that is 0, 1, 4, 4. So where is the point? After the point 1, after the point 1 number, after the point 1 number. So total 2 number, no? So 1, 2. So 44 point 10 coming. Afterwards again multiply with what number? 0.7. 0.7. Yes? 7 multiply 0, 0. 7 multiply 1, 7. 7 multiply 4, 28. And 2 carries. 7 multiply 4. 7 for 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Yes? So where you will keep the point? After the point 2 number, after the point 1 number. So 2 plus 1, 3 number. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? Put the point 30.87. So the last 0 you can leave it. That is 30.87 meter cube. This is the answer. 9. In 9 you can see that calculate the volume of air in a 6-room house if the height of each room is 3 meters and the length and width of the rooms in meters are as given by the following table. Yes, they are given here. Everything this is a meter. Okay, 10 meter, 6 meter, 4, everything, all things is a meter. Okay, what are given, length, width, everything is a meter, and they given the height also. Okay, height is 3 meters. Yes. So this is a house. In the house there are 6 rooms there. 6 rooms, length, width, and the height is given. So height is given in the question itself. If the height of each room is 3 meters. Okay, height is 3 meters. Height is 3 meters. Yes, it is a rough. Okay, you can write with a pencil that this one. Okay, this is height is 3, 3, 3. Everything 3 only. Okay, all the height of the room is 3 meters only. So now we know formula. Yes. So what is the formula? Length multiply breadth multiply height. Okay, length, width, height given. So L into B into height formula. First, this is the room A. Room A. Volume of room A. Volume of room A. Yes. Length multiply breadth multiply height. Yes. So what is the length? 10. Yes, 10. 10 meter. Breadth. This is the breadth. 6 meters. And height is 3 meters. Here 3 meters. 3 meters. Okay, the 3 meters is given in question itself. Okay. So now multiply everything. 10 multiply 6. 10, 6. 60, 60 multiplied 3, 180. Next, volume of room B. Volume of room B. What is the volume of room B? 4, 4, 3. Multiply 4, 4, 16, 16 multiply 3, 48 meter cube. So like this, you can do C1, D, E, F. Same method, okay? All the 3 numbers are multiplying. 6, 5, 3. Okay? Here whatever number given, multiply 3. This 2 number 3. Okay, whatever number there, just multiply the 3 number, that is the answer. Okay, children. Next, let us see. You can do question number 10 also by yourself. Next, let us see 11 questions. Children, look at question number 11. Write the length, breadth and height of 6 cuboids that can be made from 36 1 centimeter cubes. Okay, you have to make 6 cuboids where they have cube they told. Okay, there is a cube is there. In the cube, totally there were 36 1 centimeter cube there. Okay, small part. Okay, small cube. Okay, that is 36 cubes there. So how many cuboid you can make? How many cube from the cube? How many small cuboid you can make? That is the answer. You have to make 6 cuboid as well. 6 cuboid. We have to give the measurement. So here we have to find here 36 centimeter. No. 36 small 1 centimeter cube there. So find the factors of 36. We know how to find the factors of 36. So write the factors of 36. 1 multiply 36, 2 multiply 18, 36, 3 multiply 12, 36, 4 multiply 9, 36, 6 multiply 6, 36. So in the cuboid there is how many measurements? In the cuboid there are 3 things: length and breadth and height. Length, breadth, height. So 3 numbers must come. 3 numbers. Okay. When you multiply 3 numbers, the total must be how much? 36. See now 1 multiply 36, 36. So multiply with one more 1. So this is the one answer. 1 multiply 36. Second number, 2 multiply 18, 36. Here also you can multiply with 1. Second one, 1 multiply 2 multiply 18. This is second. Next one, 3 multiply 12, 36. 3, 12, 36. Again you can multiply here 1. Like this, when you multiply 3 numbers, total must come 36. Okay, that way you can form it. 6, 36. Multiply with 1. Yes, 6, 36 multiply 1. 3 numbers. Okay, 36. Next you can say 3 multiply 12, 36 multiply with 1. Yes, 3 multiply 12, multiply 1. And 3 multiply 4 multiply 3. 3, 4, 12. Yes. 3, 4, 12. 12 multiply 2. 3, 4, 12. 12 multiply 3. 36. Yes. 3 multiply 2, 6. 6 multiply 6. 36. Okay, you can with the factor you can form many cuboids, but they ask in the question form only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is sufficient. If you know how to make many, you can write in the end. Okay, whatever you want to write. Okay, but this is the answer. Okay, children, we will see in the next class. Thank you.